Good afternoon, Warriors, and happy first day of March Madness. Today is Thursday, the 21st of March, 2019. Taking a look at homework in math. Once again, you need to check Google Classroom. There's an extra credit opportunity in there. You need to make sure that you're capitalizing your first name and your last name, and that you're showing your work for the 5 problems and turning that into the blue box prior to tomorrow. Prior to the end of tomorrow. In science, we have an assignment called Beneath Our Feet. In social studies, there is no homework. In language arts, we've got a sheet of paper, which is the trampoline fill-in essay where we're looking at, are trampolines dangerous? Should they be banned? And in literature, we've got to finish our spring 2016 test practice on Edulastic. Most were able to get that done in class today. Also, if you were not able to get that done, hopefully you had Warrior Time. If not, you've got this evening. Also, make sure that you order your yearbook. The link is attached there, as you can see in the language arts section. That's going to be it for today. Everyone, have a great Thursday, and hopefully after your homework's done, you can watch some hoops tonight. Take care.